So to do the lower ball joint, I've got the axle disconnected, and now I'm just going to take the lower axle. Alright, there's our spring clip here. We have to take that out, so that's next. We're going to try to get the spring clip out. Alright, the spring clip, I got it loose, so now I'm going to just take it up and get it out of the way. And this ball joint needs to be driven down to get it out. Let's try that. Alright, I'm using a C-clamp to try to push this out. Okay, I've lined up the new ball joint here. I bought this piece temporarily, and then once we get it rolled up a little bit, then we'll move it, and we'll readjust it to make sure it's going in straight. Okay, let's see. So we can still bring it up a little bit more. A little bit more. Look. Alright, there's the snap ring. Let's get the snap ring back on. Okay. You just tap it just to be sure. Alright, let's get the other things back together. Okay, I'm going to lower the suspension. I have to put the grease fitting in here still. Usually that's this one right here. So we're going to put that in, and hopefully we can face it out so we can grease it to one direction. Now let's put this back together. Alright, this thing goes in. Okay. Like so. And then get the axle nut. We'll put the axle nut on. There we go. There we go. And that's a little tighter than I thought, huh? That's okay. Got a little. This is 24. Yep, 24. Yep, it is. Bent over.